Stop. Before you even touch your phone, before you wash your face, you need to know this. Your skin isn't just getting damaged at night. No, it's getting destroyed in the morning. And the worst part, you probably think you're doing everything right. You'll definitely want to stay until the end, because habit number 3 is the real reason your face looks so tired, even after a full 8 hours of sleep. Let's get right into it. Habit number 1, checking your phone the second you wake up. What's the first thing you do? Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, right? Well, that blue light from your screen instantly spikes cortisol, which is your body's stress hormone. And you might be wondering, what does cortisol even do to your skin? Well, it increases oil production, triggers inflammation, and it weakens your skin barrier. That's exactly why you wake up with new pimples, redness and pustule, lifeless skin. You didn't wake up ugly. You distressed your skin out before you even had breakfast. Now, on to habit number 2. Washing your face with hot water. I know, hot water feels so clean and refreshing. But to your skin, it's a full-on attack. Hot water strips away all of your skin's natural protective oils. It damages your moisture barrier, and then it forces your skin to overcompensate by producing even more oil. The result is a cycle of oily skin, more acne, and even early wrinkles. If your face feels really tight and squeaky after washing, that's not a sign of clean. That's a sign of damage. Okay, let's talk about the most common mistake of all. Habit number 3, drinking tea or coffee before you have any water. Think about it. You wake up dehydrated after a long night of sleep, but instead of replenishing with water, you reach for tea or coffee. Here's the problem. Caffeine is a diuretic, which means it actually pulls water out of your body, making you even more dehydrated. And your skin is the first place this shows up. It starts looking dull, your fine lines become more obvious, and those dark circles under your eyes get even darker. No expensive eye cream can fix dehydration. Only water can. Seriously, just one glass first thing in the morning can change everything about your skin's appearance. Next up, habit number 4, rubbing your face dry with a towel. This might seem harmless, but this one habit ruins your skin slowly over time. Rubbing that rough towel against your delicate facial skin causes tiny It can lead to pigmentation and dark spots, and over the years, it contributes to So, if you feel like your skin is looking older than your actual age, it might not be genetics. It could just be friction. From now on, remember to gently pat your skin dry. Always. And finally, habit number 5. Skipping sun protection in the morning. A lot of people think the morning sun is gentle, but that's a huge misconception. UV rays are active and damaging from the moment the sun raises. Going without protection, even for a few minutes, means you're exposing yourself to tanning, an uneven skin tone, and you're speeding up the aging process. The tricky thing about sun damage is that it doesn't hurt today. You won't feel it, but it shows up on your face months, or even years, down the line as sunspots and wrinkles. So, feeling a little overwhelmed? Don't be. Here's a quick reset routine you can start tomorrow morning. It's super simple. First, no phone. For the first 15 minutes you're awake. Just let your mind and body wake up naturally. Second, drink 1 big glass of water before anything else. Third, when you wash your face, use lukewarm water, never hot. Fourth, gently pat your face dry. Don't rub it. And fifth, if you're stepping outside at all, even just for a few minutes, apply some. See, these are simple habits, but they deliver real results. Your skin doesn't always need more expensive products. Sometimes, it just needs better mornings. Fix these 5 habits, and I promise, your face will start to fix itself. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help you look and feel your best.